How do you go from this to this? We will straighten out the damaged piece as much as we can from the inside. Then we apply some masking to protect good undamaged pieces. After that, we will sand out the damaged piece. When we have a fully sanded surface, we can start with the dent puller. We use it to pull out dents as much as we can. When we are finished with the dent puller, we will fine-tune it with a hammer. When finished, the surface is very rough. We have to sand it and make it a little bit smoother. And we will straighten it out just a little bit more to make it perfect. Yeah, that's it. Looking good now. If the lines are good, we have to check how it fits compared to the bumper. And now to the paint job. For a little bit uneven parts of the surface, we use liquid metal. That way we avoid using excess putty. We don't have to apply a lot of it since the denting was done properly and the surface is almost perfect. We are starting sanding with 120 granulation. After that, we apply dry coat control powder for sanding control, and then we are finishing sanding with 180 granulation. We are ready for primer application. Of course, again, we have to apply masking to protect undamaged parts. We let primer dry for 24 hours for best possible quality. After the primer is dry, we can start with the primer sanding. We apply control powder again for sanding control and use 400 granulation for final sanding, which makes the surface ready for painting. Again, we have to apply masking to protect undamaged parts of the car. We are using a cleaner to clean up the surface and remove all unwanted grease or oil. After that, we are using air and cloth to remove any dust particles left on the surface. Now we apply the base coat in 2 layers. And after the base coat is fully dried, we apply a clear coat again in 2 layers. We are doing some final polishing to remove any dust spots and make it look even shinier. And there you go. After fitting is done, we have a perfect looking quarter panel. Thanks for watching.